Hey, what's up? Do you know what is the most important thing for any content creator or vlogger? You can say video, but actually it is the sound. People may not even watch the video, but listen to the sound. So, if you're a beginner content creator, you should think about the sound quality in your videos. It doesn't matter what you are doing, vlogs, interviews or tech reviews like me, you need a quality microphone. Recently, Sabinetek company has contacted us. They had a project on Kickstarter and raised more than $350,000 to release a new microphone called SmartMike Plus. As they say, it is the best microphone for content creators. Well, let's check it out. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. SmartMike Plus comes in a simple, small white box. There is only the image of microphone on the front side and specifications on the back. Inside the box you will find a microphone, windshield, microphone cap, headset, micro USB charging cable, carrying bag, and a user manual. I have a single package, but you can buy a twin package with two microphones. Twin package is for those who are recording the interviews. Okay, let's look at microphone closer. SmartMike Plus is very compact and lightweight. It is only 5.8 by 1 by 1.5 centimeters. The weight is 15 grams. As you understand, this is a wireless microphone, so you don't need any cables. The microphone uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology to connect to smartphones and other devices. SmartMike Plus has a clip on one side, so you can clip a microphone to your clothes. There is 3.5mm audio jack on the top, microphone holes, and a red power button. There is also LED indicator, which says about connection status and battery level. That's all. Actually, there is nothing to talk about, because the design is very simple. Let's move on to the features of a SmartMike Plus microphone. Let me tell you about the main features and specifications of this microphone. And then we will look at mobile app and compare the sound quality of a SmartMike Plus with the built-in mic in my phone. Actually, SmartMike Plus has many features. First of all, this is a wireless microphone. It is connected to Android and iOS devices via Bluetooth 5.0. The maximum transmission distance is 15 meters. The microphone has built-in chipset from QUALCOMM CSR8070. The mic offers 44.1 kHz stereo SD quality. The high-quality sound recording is guaranteed. The next feature is denoising algorithm. The microphone uses a smart algorithm to reduce wind and background noises. However, the most interesting feature for me is TWS mode. You can use two SmartMike Plus microphones simultaneously. You just need to pair two mics to mobile app and it will be automatically switched to TWS mode. Amazing! Actually, SmartMike Plus has many other features. You can read about all of them on official website. I will leave the link in description under the video. By the way, I forgot to say about battery. SmartMike Plus is a very compact device, but it has a 110 mAh battery. The microphone provides 5 hours of recording audio. It uses micro USB port for charging. Now I want to show you how to connect a microphone to smartphone, and then we will talk about the app functions. The companion app is called SmartMike Plus. It is available on both Android and iOS devices. First, you need to install the app, then open the app and follow the steps to connect the microphone. Okay, this is the main screen of the app. As you can see, there are 3 modes: vlog, interview, and audio. I will use the microphone only to record sound, but the vlog and interview modes are very useful. The microphone automatically synchronizes with the video in real time. You just need to press the button and the video and sound are recorded. You can use different parameters, such as turn on/off the phone mic, change mic volume, BGM, and NC. The system settings menu has following options: grids, video resolution, recording indicator, beauty retouch level. There are also many filters. If you are vlogging, they may be useful for you. Okay, it's time to test the sound recording quality. Now I am going to record the sound from built-in microphone in my smartphone and then use SmartMike Plus. Which sound would be better? Let's find out. By the way, I have to tell you, I'm recording the sound on my phone at a distance of about 1 meter. That's how the people usually hold the smartphone when they shoot a video, right? Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Now we are testing the microphone and we are checking the sound quality. This sound is recorded on my smartphone. The phone is 1 meter away from my mouth, so the sound is bad. You can also hear the noises around me. Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Now we are testing the microphone and we are checking the sound quality. This sound is recorded on SmartMike Plus. The sound is clear and high quality. No matter how far away the smartphone is, the sound is always good quality. The microphone is wireless, so you can even move around the room, but the sound doesn't change. I think everything is clear. SmartMike Plus has much better sound quality than the smartphone. So the microphone is very important for content creators. If you are a vlogger, interviewer, or create any kind of videos on YouTube, you need a microphone. SmartMike Plus is a good microphone for beginner or even experienced content creator. The main advantages of a SmartMike Plus are wireless connection, auto-sync the video and sound, good sound quality, TWS mode support, useful mobile app, and a long battery life. The price of SmartMike Plus is only $160. If you want a twin package with 2 mics, then you have to pay about $300. Yes, this microphone is not very cheap, but this is a must-have device for every content creator. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.